All right, so this is IXL U7. I don't know if anyone needs this or not, but I thought I would just do it just in case. Like a little 5-minute thing, maybe less. But anyways, all right, so it starts off easy. One, it's giving you the equation, that x minus 2. And then in the beginning, you can just see the relationship. So you can see that they're subtracting x, they're subtracting it by 2. So this one will be 1, and this would be 3. Now, to figure out what the graph is. So now you would plot those points to see which graph. So remember, x tells you how much you go sideways, y tells you how much you go up. So I go over 2, and then I don't go up at all. So that must be this one. I went over 2, up none. Then it was 3, up 1, 4, up 2, and so it's that one. All right. So again, you can see they give you the equation. They're telling you that they're multiplying x by 3. So because here you might not have been able to see it. 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 3 is 12, so that must be 6, and that must be 15. And then to figure out which graph it is. So again, we go over 2, up 6. So that's not it. Over 2, up 6. No, they only went up 3. Over 2, up 6. All right, again, up here, they're telling us that I add 3. So 5, 8. So I go over 2, up 5. So that one's that one. This time I'm subtracting. I'm going to try and put my tripod down. I'm just a little tilted. I don't know if you all can see that good enough. Hopefully y'all can see that. So I'm subtracting x by 3. So that would be 0 and 3. So that means I go over 3, up none. So that must be that one. Now I am ironically in as a guest because I don't have my password at home. So I don't know how high I'm going to be able to go. But so here you can see the y input is not, there's nothing there. So we have to make sure that you're reading the equation, that they're multiplying x by 4. Oops. Oh, I forgot to find my graph. I almost went on without picking my graph. So I went over 1, up 4. So I should have a dot right there, and I don't. So it must be that one. Again, you're adding. I'm trying to wait till it gets harder. Oops. So I'm adding 7. And then I go over 3. So I'm going over 3 and I go up 10, and that's it. So it doesn't look like it's getting much harder than this. So pretty simple. Let me know if you have any questions about U7. And then U9. Actually, I'm going to make a separate video for U9.